मुझे स्कूटी भी आनी चाहिए, बाइक भी आनी चाहिए, गाड़ी भी आनी चाहिए, प्लेन भी आना चाहिए। मुझे बहुत मन है कि मैं अपनी शादी में मैं दुल्हन का जोड़ा पहन के मैं जिप्सी चला के एंटर करूँ, मस्त चश्मा वश्मा पहन के और उसमें से उतरूँ एकदम लहंगे को ऐसे करके। गाड़ी की एसी खराब थी तो हम विंडो खोल के चला रहे थे, तो आधी जगह से पानी आ रहा है, कभी धूप आ रहा है, so that was a weird experience कि मैं सिर्फ स्टीयरिंग पकड़ के बैठी हूँ, बाकी पूरा कंट्रोल वो मास्टर कर रहे हैं। एंड उसके बाद जब मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड की गाड़ी चलाई, जैसे ही मैंने ब्रेक छोड़ा, मतलब वो गाड़ी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओ शिट, अभी तो सीधा एक्सीडेंट।
Hello and welcome to Rev Wheels, and today we kick off our brand new series, Wheels and Reels. Now the idea here is to get your favorite celebrity from the real life behind the wheel. So the idea here is to do a lot of motoring talks, but none of that controversial gupshup that celebrities are mostly interviewed for. No, this ain't a coffee with the Rev Wheels. So let's get this started, shall we? So ladies and gentlemen, today we have the pleasure of talking and getting behind the wheel with a multi-talented star who's captured our imaginations with her dynamic performances on the screen. She's done memorable roles for Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma and Choti Sardarni as well. Not only is she an actress with a knack of portraying strong, fearless characters, but she's also someone who loves taking on exciting challenges both on and off the screen. From performing action-packed stunts to riding motorcycles with flair, she's a true embodiment of style and substance. And she's already made her Bollywood debut too with Mission Grey House. So let's welcome the bold, the beautiful and the extremely talented Pooja Sharma. Pooja, welcome to Rev Wheels, and we're absolutely thrilled to have you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is something different for me. The interview in the car.
Driving.
While driving, yeah.
Maybe we should coin a term for that. Driving view. Something like that.
Driving view.
No, actually, that doesn't sound right.
So it's a drive view?
Drive view. That
yeah,
sounds
drive
better.
view.
So Pooja, tell me, I mean, I've seen your social media, you love wheels, you ride motorcycles, you drive cars, and how has this come up? Has it been like a childhood thing? ये बाद में हुआ या how did it start,
मतलब था, देखो सच बोलूं तो मुझे बचपन से था।
Right.
बचपन में जब मैं साइकिल चलाती थी ना, जब मैं स्कूल जाती थी साइकिल में, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर मेरे पास लेडी बर्ड का साइकिल था। और तब मैं पापा को बोलती थी, पापा इसको पैडल कर करके जाना पड़ता है, काश इसमें वैसा होता है कि मैं ज़र्र से वैसे चले जाती हूँ।
You wanted to go faster.
Yeah, I wanted to go faster. तो तब से मुझे कहीं ना कहीं था, एंड मुझे हमेशा था कि मुझे सब कुछ सीखना है। मतलब मुझे स्कूटी भी आनी चाहिए, बाइक भी आनी चाहिए, गाड़ी भी आनी चाहिए, प्लेन भी आना चाहिए, बट ऑफ कोर्स अब मैं प्लेन तो नहीं उड़ा सकती हूँ, बट तो इसलिए कार तक ही ठीक है।
And something that I heard recently was about your film Mission Grey House.
Yes.
And in that you actually learned to drive a gypsy. Is that true?
Yes. So मैंने गाड़ी चलानी सीखी थी सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस फिल्म के लिए, because I didn't know how to drive a car.
So the first thing that you actually drove when you learned was a gypsy.
Yes.
That is insane. I mean, even enthusiast, in enthusiast terms, the gypsy is not a very easy car to drive. It's actually a difficult car to drive, and you learned that and you drove it in the film. That is phenomenal.
So I learned it in Honda City.
I see. Okay.
तो मैंने सीखा था ड्राइविंग स्कूल में।
Right.
एंड एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अलग था जब आप एक ड्राइविंग स्कूल में गाड़ी चलाना सीखते हो और जब आप रियल में गाड़ी चलाते हो।
Absolutely.
तो उसमें होता क्या है कि मैं बैठी हूँ ड्राइविंग सीट पे, मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं चला रही हूँ, बट मुझे नहीं पता कि वो सारा कंट्रोल उस मास्टर के हाथ में है जो अपने पैरों से क्लच और ब्रेक
कंट्रोल कर रहा है।
एग्जैक्टली। तो मैंने अपने क्लासेस कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, आई एम प्रो यार, मैं तो एक हफ्ते में मैं तो पूरा सीख गई, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ स्टीयरिंग पकड़ के बैठी हूँ, बाकी पूरा कंट्रोल वो मास्टर कर रहे हैं। एंड उसके बाद जब मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड की गाड़ी चलाई, मेरे साथ इतना फनी इंसिडेंट हुआ है। तो मैंने क्या हुआ, जैसे ही मैंने ब्रेक छोड़ा, मतलब वो गाड़ी, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओ शिट, अभी तो सीधा एक्सीडेंट। वो तो मेरे फ्रेंड ने तुरंत हैंड ब्रेक खींच दिया, वरना तो उस दिन एक्सीडेंट ही हो जाता।
There was no master controlling it.
एग्जैक्टली। तब मुझे पता चला कि धीरे धीरे ब्रेक छोड़ना होता है, धीरे धीरे क्लच छोड़ना होता है, आप एक बार में नहीं छोड़ सकते हो। बट ठीक है, You are like आप जो भी देख रहे हो मुझे, मैं आपको एक एडवाइस जरूर दूंगी कि अगर आप ड्राइविंग स्कूल से सीख रहे हो, उसके बाद आप अपने ऊपर ये कॉन्फिडेंस मत लाना कि आप प्रो हो गए हो.
Point taken.
हाँ.
Point taken. But you've driven a gypsy in a movie. You're a certified enthusiast now, in my eyes. I mean, it's a big deal. You know, you driving
Thank
a
you.
gypsy, and I mean, when you're new at it, and you still manage to drive the gypsy, that's fantastic. Brilliant. Now let's get to our
अच्छा,
question.
वैसे जिप्सी से मुझे जिप्सी सीखने का बहुत टाइम से मन था,
Is
क्योंकि
Is it?
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट एंड वेरी फिल्मी, एंड मुझे बहुत मन है कि मैं अपनी शादी में मैं दुल्हन का जोड़ा पहन के मैं जिप्सी चला के एंटर करूं, मस्त चश्मा वश्मा पहन के और उसमें से उतरूं एकदम लहंगे को ऐसे करके. सो वो
I can
मेरी एक
imagine.
फैंटेसी है विद जिप्सी.
That will be something.
यस,
That will be something. I don't think anybody's ever done that.
पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बट
But-
मुझे तो जरूर एंट्री करनी है अपनी शादी में जिप्सी पे.
That will
I
be
hope
special.
मैं कर पाऊं.
Let's just hope, you know, fingers
Yes,
crossed. you're
let's
gonna
just manifest.
let's just, you know, hope that you get that gypsy and you get it in your wedding. That's awesome.
Yes.
All right, let's get to the interesting bit now. All right, I'm going to ask you 5 questions and let's see how you answer them. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. First up, which is, you know, like that entails to all of us, the dream car. You know, what is your dream car? I mean, everybody, all of us have a dream car, and what is yours? And you know, have you been thinking about it and why?
फिलहाल तो आई एम ओनली थिंकिंग अबाउट जिप्सी, क्योंकि मुझे मेरी शादी में जिप्सी में एंटर करना है. बट उसके अलावा यार ऑफ कोर्स मुझे चाहिए कि मेरे पास में 4-5 गाड़ियां हो, BMW भी हो, Porsche भी हो, ठीक है,
Right.
और ऑडी हो, मर्सिडीज हो, ऐसे बहुत सारी गाड़ी हो. बट फिलहाल मेरी इच्छा जो है वो छोटे तक ही सीमित है कि मतलब जिप्सी.
Nice. That is awesome. So I think this you don't need to manifest. I'm sure with the way your career is going, you're going to get one real soon.
Yes, super soon.
That is awesome. So Pooja's dream car, a gypsy, and that you're going to use on your marriage.
Yes.
Check. Now let's get
And
to
also Ladakh trip.
Ladakh is a given. When you get a gypsy, you have to hit the Himalayas.
Yes,
It's a given.
of course.
That'll be awesome. You know, that is awesome. Exploring the Himalayas in a gypsy, it's a very surreal experience, let me tell you that. Now, another important question when it comes to driving. Music. You know, music is something that is very important when you're driving. I mean, I don't think you can drive without music, is it? Like this Kia that we have, this has a Bose audio system, and we really enjoy driving it because of that,
Yes.
you know, audio, the experience that you get. So you have a good audio system, but then how do you drive without your favorite songs? So what are those 3 songs that are always there on your playlist and that you can't do without?
One song is from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani Ilahi.
Ah,
I love that song.
that is a beautiful
मतलब वो
song.
गाना, आप गाड़ी में हो, आप पहाड़ों पे जा रहे हो, and वो जो ना 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 ना, oh God, उसको तो सुन के रो, you feel so motivated कि अब तो travel करना है, trekking करना है, पहाड़ों पे जाना है.
Indeed.
Yes.
I mean, you can just imagine yourself, you know, with that song and the Himalayas and the trees whizzing
I mean,
by.
recently I went to Manali.
Right.
So I went to Khir Ganga trek.
Right.
And I still remember I was wearing a cargo pant.
Okay.
एक पैंट में एक पॉकेट में फोन, एक पॉकेट में स्पीकर, एक
Right.
में ग्लव्स, एक में कुछ पानी की बोतल, एक में टिश्यू पेपर. तो मैंने स्पीकर में पूरे रास्ते गाने चल रहे थे,
Sweet.
क्योंकि मैंने कुछ गाने डाउनलोड करके
Sweet.
रखे थे कि भाई मुझे ट्रैकिंग करने के लिए मुझे कुछ मोटिवेशन चाहिए.
Right.
सो यूट्यूब पे है रोड ट्रिप ज्यूक बॉक्स.
Yeah,
तो
you get plenty
उसमें
of driving playlists.
तो
Yeah.
वो मैंने पूरा डाउनलोड करके रखा था, एंड उसमें
Sweet.
इलाही इज माय टॉप मोस्ट
So
फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
Sweet. Let's get to the other 2. Which is the next best?
सफरनामा,
Nice.
and there are many options. I
Right.
mean, हाईवे का जो सॉन्ग है पटाखा
Of
गुड्डी, I love
course,
that
of course.
song
These are all
also.
made for road
Yes,
trips.
yes,
Superb.
yes. And Herat, I love Herat.
Nice. Nice, nice. So yeah, so we know what to play for you next time we go out on a road trip for sure. Oh, that's a nice BMW, and that's a convertible.
Oh yeah.
Maybe next one we can do in that.
Oh, yes.
Awesome. All right, now let's get to the other question. Your first car experience. The first time you got a car, we all have memories,
हाँ.
and they're always special, especially with our first car. So, what is your special memory like of your first car?
Like I don't have a car.
Hmm.
So my first car that I drove was at Honda City of the driving school.
Right. Right.
So that was my first experience in the car
Oh,
when I
okay.
was driving, and
Right.
I guess it's been it's 1 year back.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm sure that must be special because that was the first time you connected with four wheels.
Yeah, that was
A
very
steering
special.
wheel and driving is indeed a very special, a very surreal experience, like I said.
Hmm.
So even that must be special, I guess. You know, you learn to drive it, and now suddenly you can drive. You know, you can explore your own territories.
Yes.
You can go wherever you want at will. So I'm sure that must be special.
Yes, because I was very excited that time because
Right.
I know how to drive a bike, I know how to drive a scooty,
Right.
and then when it comes to a car,
Right.
तो अच्छा एक और प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है स्कूटी में आप राइट लेफ्ट खुद से घूम के देख सकते हो राइट
Right. Right.
एंड कार में यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट एवरीथिंग की एंड आई वाज सो कंफ्यूज कि मैं उस मिरर में देखूं कि मैं इस मिरर में देखूं कि मैं नीचे ब्रेक और क्लच में देखूं कि मैं गियर चेंज करूं बिकॉज़ फर्स्ट टाइम इफ यू आर ड्राइविंग अ कार
Absolutely.
इट्स नॉट अ
Absolutely.
इजी टास्क कि आप
Absolutely.
एक ही दिन में आप सब कुछ सीख लो
Right. Right.
सो मतलब बहुत नर्वसनेस था मुझे वैसा एक्सपीरियंस था
I'm sure.
नर्वसनेस वाला
I'm sure.
एंड मैंने सीखा था जब बारिश में
I
So,
see. Okay.
and उस गाड़ी की एसी खराब
कम
थी
था,
तो
हो गया?
हम विंडो खोल के चला रहे थे तो
Oh.
आधी जगह से पानी आ रहा है
Oh,
कभी
shucks.
धूप आ रहा है so that was a weird experience
But then you learned in difficult conditions, which I'm
Yes.
sure made you a better driver.
yes because I didn't have a choice मुझे एक महीने में खत्म करना था क्लासेस क्योंकि मेरा शूट था मूवी
Of
का
course, and then
yes.
you had to go drive your gypsy.
yes
Nice, nice. So yeah, so I got your uh, best memory basically. All right, let's look at the next question now. Now you're a celebrity yourself already. Now let me ask you, if you had to go on a drive with a celebrity, another celebrity,
okay
what celebrity would you go with and where would you go?
पक्का बोलूं
Pakka, pakka.
आप वो मीटिंग करवाओगे
We will try. Manifest again.
okay manifest okay Ranveer Singh
Okay.
and especially after watching him on Rocky Randhawa,
Right.
that Rocky Rani की प्रेम कहानी.
Right.
So the way he proposes, you know, Alia की आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, टा टा.
Yeah, he's shown as that typical Delhi guy, full of life and
So,
everything.
I'm
And he's a
in
great
love
actor.
with that character, you know.
Right.
तो मैं भी अपनी जिप्सी में जाऊंगी and रणवीर सिंह के घर के नीचे आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा.
I just hope Deepika won't mind.
No. ठीक है, fan moment.
Of course. I'm
Yeah.
sure they'll take it light-heartedly too.
So अब बताइए कब करवा रहे हैं आप मीटिंग?
Let me check my calendar when my next meeting
Oh
with Ranveer.
my God, okay, ठीक है.
I'm sure that'll happen soon too.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, Pooja. Now let's get into Avengers mode.
Okay.
By that I mean, we all have.
I'm a little scared of the question. The way you said Avengers mode, I was
No,
like, shit.
We're not going to fly off anywhere. It's okay. Don't worry about that.
Okay. वैसे भी मैंने सीट बेल्ट पहन रखा है.
Yes, seat belts always.
Yes.
So Avenger mode, I mean, we all want our cars to do something special. You know, we wanted to go fast. We wanted to, corner well. We wanted to have a lot of features, but not here. I want to ask you, what is that one superpower that you think your car should have that you want to do with it? Maybe fly, maybe go underwater, whatever. But what is that one superpower that your car should have?
Okay. So, of course, fly वाला सुपर पावर आई वांट. क्योंकि just imagine आपको कहीं जाना है.
Right,
आपने लोकेशन पे डाला
right.
एंड वोला आप पहुंच गए. मतलब झट से विद इन अ सेकंड क्योंकि आपको ट्रैफिक में नहीं बैठना. आपको स्पेशली इन मुंबई.
That is true.
मुंबई ट्रैफिक सक्स. आई
That is
मीन
true. That is true.
2 घंटे 3 घंटे लग जाते हैं अगर आपको बांद्रा जाना है, अगर आपको
That is
टाउन
true.
साइड जाना
That
है
is
तो
true.
तो बेटर है कि आप हवा में उड़ के डायरेक्ट पहुंच जाओ, डायरेक्ट
Absolutely.
लैंड
I
कर
mean,
लो.
people are trying for that. You've got
Yeah.
flying cars, flying
Your
taxis
personal
coming up.
helicopter.
Yeah, that is actually very important for cities like Mumbai
Yes.
or Bangalore for that matter. But yeah, I mean, just get up and maybe just go to the location
Yes.
and just land there. So flying, check.
Yes.
So maybe when the first flying car comes out, maybe you'll be one of their first customers.
I hope मैं रहूं.
Of course you'll be there. Of
I
course.
guess it will take 50 years.
No, not that long actually. I mean, they're already testing prototypes and stuff, so I don't think it'll take that long.
Okay, then I'll be the first customer.
I'm sure. That's what. Again, manifest.
Yes, manifest. Oh God, I think आज का टॉपिक होना चाहिए manifestize.
Yeah, maybe we should rename our title. Manifesting with Pooja.
So in short, जैसे हमने क्या निकाला था, drive you.
Drive
so,
you.
manifest view. No.
Manifest view?
Okay, forget it.
So Pooja, it was an absolute blast, with those questions, and it was really interesting getting those answers. And I just hope you get a lot more movies, you become a really big star very soon, and you get that gypsy very soon. And,
Yes.
and before we, end this, Pooja, can you tell us a little more about your movie biography?
So about the movie, I got I shot this movie 1 year back.
Right.
So I shot it for 1.5 year.
Okay.
So 60% movie has been reshoot.
I
क्योंकि
see.
कुछ टेक्निकल इशू या
Okay,
कुछ स्टोरी
okay.
में कुछ चेंजेस
Mission
करना
Grey
था.
House.
हाँ,
Right.
मिशन ग्रे हाउस.
Right.
And उसके अलावा I have done 2 web series
Right.
and 2 TV serial.
Right.
And I have done many TV ads and modeling shoots
Sweet,
also I do.
sweet. Yeah, I did check your social
And
media.
one more thing,
Yeah.
I have to tell you, yesterday I got an award for Dada Saheb Phalke.
That is
Indian
big.
television.
That
award.
is big.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations.
you so much.
That is huge. So guys, you heard it here at Rev Wheels.
Yes.
That is awesome. That is a big deal. So like I said, talent never goes unrecognized, and I think you completely deserved it. That is awesome. That is brilliant. So Pooja, thank you for being on our show, and I think the next one should be bigger, maybe in a much
Next
faster.
one should be in my gypsy.
That'll be perfect. That'll be perfect. Maybe in your gypsy.
Yes.
All right, folks. That's it. We'll call that a wrap, and bye.
Bye.